Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Mapi failure in Windows 11. You may have come across this error. The first thing you can do to try to fix this error, restart your computer. After that fails, then you can try these steps. The first thing you can try is to check your installed apps. For you to do that, go on your Windows icon, go on Settings. Once you're here, open Apps. Then go on Installed Apps. Type in Office. Go on More Settings. Go on Modify. Then do a repair. You can do an online one or a quick repair. Try again to see if the problem is still there. But if the error is still there, move on to the step. Go on Apps, then go on Default Apps. Depending on what you're using, either Mail or Outlook. For an example, Outlook, just type in Outlook. Make sure you set it as a default. And then try again. But you can also do this if you're using Mail. Just type in Mail. And select it as a default. And try again. If the error is still there, you have to check your Windows system for corrupted files. All you have to do, just click on your Windows icon, type in CMD, then run as administrator. You have to type in this SFC /scan now. This will fix your system's corrupted files, and then you can try again. See if the problem still persists. And you're done.